Okay, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn and play about build a custom alert dialog in Android Studio. So let's go do it. Nice. Okay, and in our last video we have done a grid. Yes, and in our last video we have done a grid and activity work with a fragment, and it's a continue. So okay, the first is we will create a function, a private function will to be called in this activity. Okay, private void, I name it show custom dialog. Okay, empty. Okay, I've done create it. Then what should we do next is create an inflator. So inflator, this inflator is get layout inflator. So, what? Oh, my bad, it's wrong. Layout, nah that's layout inflator. Get the layout inflator. So this get layout inflator just work on activity, not work in fragment. That in another way we will create a custom dialog for a fragment instead. So let's continue. So we have done create an inflator. Next is alert dialog builder, create an builder. Oops. Oh, I guess is maybe not this. Insert new, yes, new alert builder, get application context. Okay, there it is. After that we switch, no, not we set, we must create an root view for this builder, for this dialog. So to do that we need create an layout for this custom dialog. Okay, so oops, to do that we right click, new resource layout. Okay, then name it what you want to rename. Maybe alert. Oh, maybe custom alert dialog 1. Okay. Root element, I like to use relative layout, so there is, then okay. Okay, here we go. Sits there, and okay. There it is. Okay, so the basic is I have is a title there from the title, and it's a primary, and the another text view is for the message. So this title and message will change. So, and the other is I will give some button with wrap content and wrap content with ID is ID button okay, maybe text is okay. So the button place is below the message, TV message alert pop. Wrap content. What the hell is going on? Is wrap content and is match parent wrap content. Yes, this is wrap content. True padding, okay, below margin and margin layout center vertical. Nah, guys, center horizontal true. Okay, the message will always in horizontal center. Text alignment is center 2, and the text size is 12, and the bottom is maybe we will give some margin top at about 50 maybe. Okay, So this is our design for the custom layout. The next to do is back to main activity, back to our function. Then I will give this function a parameter. So the parameter is string in inside variable called param1. Yes. So in this function we must switch the param with case, or maybe not a string but integer 1 or 0, 1 break. Then in the case we create a view is with we call a root custom alert view. Maybe it is up to you guys. Then inflate, then inflater, inflate, we search the layout, r.layout, the custom alert dialog 1, and the parent is null. Null. There is this. Oh, I forgot. We need change the title, so we give another parameter that will be string, a title, and more string that will be message. Okay, it's done. Then we declare the text view of this layout and the button. So here we go. Text view, TV text view title is a root view. We get the root view, then find view by ID of the what is the title ID. This, there is. Okay, nice. And then more text view, TV message root view, and find by ID. What is the ID? There it is. So there is. Next is we add a create. Okay, we change like this for a best way. Okay, another element is, my bad, and another object is a button. So we have declare a button hbt. Okay, for dismissing the dialog root view, and not find by ID, and dot ID dot bt. Okay, we have a button. Okay, so next is make a builder. make the dialog, set view. The view is the root view. Root view. And then show the builder. Okay, nice. After that, BT okay, we set on click listener and create a new on click listener. Then we dismiss the dialog. Okay. Then we forgot about to set the text view. The title, set text is title. Maybe not title, but we change its input title and input message. So this set the title from input message, input title, and another text view message that set text is input message. Okay, then there we have done create a custom dialog that will be called in the first launch activity. So we will cut this guy this function, and we will call it in this on click listener. Okay, then we will show the custom dialog in the first round of main activity. So custom dialog, what is the parameter? Parameter is 1, and we have a string title and message. We have 1 title is welcome. The message is good day user. Yes, that is for the activity. The layout inflator is get layout, and the builder is get application context dot create. Then on click listener we dismiss the dialog break. So the param is can be add more case, it's up to you guys. So let's check how it works. Run. If this get too long to Gradle, you can skip the video guys to the next result for the fast result. If you not if you want to wait, then wait with the music play. Okay, there is. We have done and finished the Gradle, and let's check what is shown. Oh, it's look like something error, so let's we check it. Okay, what it say? You need attempt a compound audition with this activity. Okay. Okay. Caused by them. So looks like our them not match. So we will use a custom them. Okay, let's check. You guys can wait a little. Let's see what we have done for the custom dialog. Yeah. Oop, no. Yes. Okay guys, I'm back. So we have done a create. The error say we need a custom theme for that custom dialog. So I've done create a style. So there we go. Oh, please come on, baby. So there we go, a custom dialog. After we add this, the custom dialog, you can pause the video, guys. So then we back to an activity. We change this into what? Whoop. Whoop. Okay. Let's change this. Okay. So let's run again. Hope it will work. If not work, then shall we go another way to implement the theme. Okay. Installing, launching the activity. Let's say it seems not error. Okay, then here we go. So the best way is not implement this style. We don't need this style, but we just change the previous context to with this or the package name. Okay, then it will show like this. The first launch of activity will show this our custom dialog. Then when we will press the OK button, this dialog will dismiss and will go to the home fragment. There we go. Okay, and the next is we will create a custom dialog in a fragment. So let's go. Close this one, and before that I want to change the navigation. First is stop this and change the navigation menu, the name of navigation menu for its item. So let's go. This not import, this is go to the main activity, name it a dashboard, so I will not confuse in a way. Go to the fragment 1. Okay, it's done, and the custom dialog, it will custom dialog, and fragment 1. So we have a fragment 1 that this the root view. Okay, in the same way as my usually do is to create a function that will be called next in this fragment, like in this fragment, private void the same name, show custom dialog. Okay, custom dialog, and next is will declare the layout in Flutter. In Flutter this is the difference between activity and a fragment. So if we in a fragment that we will use what is that is a layout inflator that from get activity and then for the builder alert dialog builder yes, builder new alert dialog dot builder and get activity dot create. Okay, then as usual we add some parameter is a param and some title, maybe some string param title and more string param message. Okay, nice. Then we switch the param in the case 1 pre. In this is create a view, root custom dialog view is inflator dot inflat air dot layout dot custom alert dialog null. Okay, maybe like this, and then we declare a same way as the activity. So here we go. Then we replace this red with the proper one. We have an on click. No, we can use on click for the custom button in here. So let's say builder dot set view is root view, then show the dialog show. Okay, then btok dot set on click listener. Oops, not set on click listener new. Oops, not. Okay, builder dot dismiss. Okay, button set on click this, and the set tag is okay. The TV title dot set text the title, not the title but input title and input message. Okay, input title from the title, and text view message. Let's set text input message for the message. Okay, done. Let's check this, but before that we create another button for this fragment as well. For the fragment one, we add another button here, button. Okay, wrap content, of course, and with the ID is button show dialog in fragment, maybe like that. And let's check. There we go. I have the text. I forgot the text is send, and another one is this is below, not below, but we will make it in the bottom of this parent layout. So align parent bottom is true, so they will be on the bottom, and then we move to the right side of the layout. So parent n is true. Okay, and then we give a margin is 8 dp. Same way of this, align parent bottom is true, and center horizontal true, and then text is show the dialog. Okay, with the margin, same margin. Oop. This margin is 8 dp. Okay, like this. It's all like this. So let's copy this ID and we will do this. Another button bt show dialog v dot find by ID. Okay, then bt show dialog set unclick listener this, and we add some case RID. Okay, break and call the function show custom dialog. The parameter is 1, title is custom dialog, and the message is this is message from fragment. Okay, That is what we go. Okay, looks like everything done. Let's check how it works. Go. Run the tune the emulator. So guys, please support us. That if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe as well. If you dislike this video, hit like dislike button. Okay, so please read the description as well, and if this is get too long for you, you can skip to the result of this Gradle. Okay. Well, it looks like it's almost done. Still launching activity, and here we go. Bam! Welcome, Captain. Not welcome. Welcome. Good day, user. Okay, good day. And we will go in fragment 1. Message on fragment 1. Okay, show the dialog. Okay, here we go. We have a custom dialog. This is message from the fragment. The button. Okay. Okay. Oh, dashboard, and we will return to the main activity. Oop. Well, okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video is help you. Don't forget to support us. You can find how to do it in the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So see you next Monday. Sunday. So see you to the next Sunday video. Thank you guys.